Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a time you had a disagreement with someone. You should say who was the person, why did you have the disagreement, and was the issue resolved? If yes, then how? So before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. So first word is dissenting opinion, which means different opinion. Next word is magnify, which means maximize. In Punjabi, magnify means किसी चीज ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਣਾ. Next word is ponder, which means think. And next word is repeal, which means cancel. Another word is pragmatic, which means practical. Next word is conducive, which means favorable. Another word is stubborn, which means a person who do not change his attitude or behavior. In Punjabi, stubborn means jiddi. Next word is exploit, which means unfair use of someone or something. In Punjabi, exploit means दुर्वरतों करनी किसी इंसान दी या किसी चीज दी. Next word is short-sighted view, which means narrow-minded or lacking imagination. In Punjabi, short-sighted view means दूर दी ना सोचना. Next word is contentious, which means controversial. So without wasting time, let's begin. Everyone has different opinions. Here I would like to talk about a time when I disagreed with my friend's opinion. It happened in 2020 when Government of India passed 3 farm bills. I believe these farm bills were not conducive for farmers while my friend held a dissenting opinion. He started magnifying the benefits of those farm bills as they would give farmers the freedom to trade across states and empower them to turn into traders of their own produce. He was further advocating that farmers will enjoy the freedom of choice of sale. I pondered that it was very short-sighted view, so I put forth my arguments. I told him the downsides of those bills. If farmer would have right to sell, then trader also would have choice of purchase of agri-produce according to law. What would happen if their crops are not bought by traders? Those bills also ended the MSP, that stands for minimum support price. This is really unfair for farmers. There was a risk whether they would get right price for their crops or not. Apart from this, I also asked him, is it pragmatic for farmers to sell their crops outside the state, and who will bear the transportation costs? As some people are stubborn by nature, my friend falls in the same category. Our conflict was resolved when Indian government repealed those farm bills as farmers protested for more than 350 days. Then I called him to ask, if those bills are beneficial for peasants, then why government cancelled those contentious agriculture laws? Then he understood my points. I ended up this conversation by saying that people should not be blind supporters of their favorite politicians. So that's it for this session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.